Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create a note in the staff portal. It's simple. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview. Notes are helpful in many ways. You can create a private note as a reminder, send a note to a student or parent, or attach a note to a course as an additional resource. Now, let's get started. To begin, head to the navigation menu, click on Tools, then select Notes. Make sure you're on the Template tab. Click the Create Notes button. First, give your note a title. Next, expand the description area by clicking plus Add Description. Use this section to add a context for your note, but it's optional. Now use the main text area to type the body of your note. Take advantage of the formatting tools. If you need to include any additional resources, click plus Add File. Attach any relevant documents, images, or files. If you want this as a private note that is only visible on your account, toggle the private option. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details, click the Save button to finalize and save your note. This will automatically be added to your template list. You can now assign it to a student or attach it to a course. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.